Today I'm cooking chicken breasts in the air fryer that have been marinated in a simple piri piri paste. They take less than 15 minutes to cook in an air fryer, and they can be sliced up and enjoyed in a wrap with a salad or mixed in with some piri piri rice. The ingredients are simple. You'll just need some chicken breasts, piri piri spice mix and some olive oil. The ingredients are listed in the description down below, or you can find full details over on Liana's Kitchen, where you can also print out the recipe, as well as see plenty more simple air fryer recipes. So let's start by mixing the spices and the oil together to form a paste, which is what we're going to rub all over the chicken. Now pour, rub or brush the paste over the chicken breasts. Use a generous amount and make sure they are coated on both sides. Leave the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes or even longer if you have the time. So now it's time to put the chicken breasts into the air fryer basket. I did spray the basket with a little bit of oil first. So cook at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 360 degrees Fahrenheit, for 10 to 15 minutes, turning them over halfway. Cook until the internal temperature reaches around 75 degrees Celsius, that's 165 degrees Fahrenheit. How long it takes will depend on the thickness of the chicken. Once it's cooked, let the chicken rest for a couple of minutes before slicing them, or you can of course just leave them whole. There's so many different seasonings and flavours you can add to chicken, which is perfect for cooking in the air fryer. I love trying different ones, and then I use the chicken during the week for lunches. They're perfect for stirring into some flavoured couscous or with salad. I made this one recently and it was ideal for storing in the fridge and eating cold for lunch or dinner. I hope you've enjoyed this air fryer chicken breast recipe. Please do let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want any other air fryer recipes in particular, also do please let me know, drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.